Welcome to this introduction to Git branching. In this video, we'll explore why branches are a fundamental part of working with Git and how they can help you manage your projects more effectively. So, what exactly is a branch? A branch in Git is an independent line of development. You can think of it as making a copy of your project. This lets you work on new features or fix bugs without altering the main, stable version of your code. It's a safe space for you to experiment and make changes. Using branches offers several key advantages. It allows multiple developers to work in parallel on different features without getting in each other's way. It isolates new code from the stable codebase, so you can be sure the main version of your project always works. Branching also makes it much easier to fix bugs and helps to keep your project's history clean and easy to understand. The main branch is the heart of your repository. It's the default branch and should always represent the official, stable version of your project. All the work you do on other branches will eventually be merged back into the main branch once it's complete and tested. Creating a new branch is simple. You use the git branch command followed by the name you want to give your branch. For example, git branch new feature. This command creates a new branch right at the point where you are in the project's history, but it doesn't switch you to that new branch automatically. Once you have a new branch, you need to switch to it to start working. For this, you use the git checkout command followed by the branch name. For instance, git checkout new feature. Any changes you save from this point on will be part of this new branch. A handy shortcut to create and switch to a new branch in one go is git checkout be new feature. When you've completed your work on a branch, the next step is to merge it. Merging takes the changes from your branch and integrates them into another branch, usually main. To do this, you first switch back to the main branch. Then, you run the git merge command followed by the name of the branch you want to merge. Let's quickly recap. Branches provide an isolated space for your work. The main branch holds your stable code. You can create a new branch with git branch, switch to it with git checkout, and combine your work back into the main branch with git merge. Mastering branching is a huge step towards using Git effectively.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.